Rosie and Andy present Jungle Animals, Animales de la Selva.
Hi, Rosie. What are you doing?
Well, I'm just playing jungle, acting like I'm on a safari, looking at jungle animals.
Like lions and tigers?
Yes, Andy, and giraffes and elephants.
Wow, Rosie, that's fun. Hey, do you think you could teach me and our friends how to say the jungle animals in Spanish?
Sure, Andy, that would be great. The first animal is a lion. In Spanish, lion is león. León. Can you say león? Great! Next up we have a tiger. In Spanish, tiger is tigre. Tigre. Can you say tigre? Great! And don't forget about the elephant. In Spanish, elephant is elefante. Elefante. Can you say elefante? Great! Look at the zebra. In Spanish, zebra is zebra. Zebra. Can you say zebra? Great! Next up is the leopard. Leopard in Spanish is leopardo. Leopardo. Can you say leopardo? Great! Look at the hippopotamus. In Spanish, hippopotamus is hipopótamo. Hipopótamo. Can you say hipopótamo? Great! Look at the beautiful giraffe. In Spanish, giraffe is jirafa. Jirafa. Can you say jirafa? Great! Look at the monkey. In Spanish, monkey is mono. Mono. Can you say mono? Great! That was fun, Andy. I love animales de la selva, jungle animals.
That was fun, Rosie. Thanks for teaching us our new words.
Hey, Andy, I have a fun idea. Do you want to pretend to go on a real safari?
That would be great, Rosie. Friends, do you want to come too?
Great!
Let's go.
Rosie and Andy in la selva. Rosie and Andy in the jungle.
Rosie, look at the lion.
Yes, Andy, lions are beautiful. But remember to use your new Spanish word. Say león.
León.
Great job, Andy. And did you know that lions are the only cats that actually live in groups?
Wow, that's neat, Rosie.
Look at the tigre.
Tigre, that means tiger.
Great job, Andy. Did you know that tigers can be as big as weighing up to 660 pounds?
Wow, that's a lot, Rosie.
Look at the next animal. They're the largest living land animal, and they can't jump.
It's an elephant, Rosie.
Yes, but say it in Spanish. Elefante.
Elefante.
Great job, Andy.
Look at the zebra.
Say it in Spanish, Andy. Zebra.
Zebra.
And did you know, Andy, that no two zebras are alike? Every single one has a unique pattern of black and white stripes.
Wow.
That's a beautiful leopardo. Leopardo means leopard. And did you know that they are nocturnal? That means that they sleep during the day and hunt during the night.
That's neat, Rosie. So leopard is leopardo.
Great job, Andy.
Look at that group of monkeys, Rosie.
Groups of monkeys are called a tribe. But let's say monkey in Spanish, Andy. Say mono.
Mono.
Great job. Did you know that monos have very large brains for their size? That means they're very smart.
Look at the giraffes.
Remember, Andy, say jirafa. Jirafas are the largest mammal. They have legs that can be as tall as 6 feet, and they only sleep up to 30 minutes per day.
Wow.
Look at the hippopotamo. How beautiful. Did you know that hippopotamo means river horse? That's because they spend lots of time in lakes, rivers, and swamps.
That's really neat, Rosie. I'm going to try to say hippopotamus in Spanish. Hippopotamo.
Great job, Andy.
That was so much fun, Rosie. Wasn't that fun, friends?
Yes, we learned so many fun facts about our jungle animals and how to use our new Spanish words.
Oh, I just loved it.
Thanks for coming along, friends.
I love learning Spanish with you, Rosie, and our friends.
Hey, friends, it was so much fun. We look forward to seeing you next time.
Thanks, friends.
Bye.
Bye.
For more fun learning Spanish with Rosie and Andy, why not subscribe to their YouTube channel and be first to see all of their videos, songs, lessons, word of the day, and more. Also visit their Facebook page at Rosie and Andy, and for more information, visit their website at rosieandandy.com.